Let's do more sums on percentages. Giovanni invests 4,500 corona in a savings account for 4 years. He gets 2.4% per year compound interest. Work out how much money Giovanni will have in the savings account at the end of 4 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest corona. Okay, this is compound interest. Then they have given a percentage. So as you know, this is percentage increase. So we need to find the new percentage. That is 100 plus 2.4. That is 102.4. We need to find the multiplier. So we need to write this one as a fraction. That is 102.4 over 100. That means 1.024. This is the multiplier. What is the initial investment? That is 4,500 into multiplier, that is 1.024 to the power number of years, that is 4. Let's put this into the calc. 4,500 into 1.024 to the power 4, that is 4,947.8. Now they ask us to give this in nearest corona, that means up to here, whole number. After the whole number it is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to this unit place, that is 4,948 corona. Joshua buys a car for $12,500. He sells the car to Nina. Nina pays a deposit of $1,500 followed by 36 monthly payments of $450. Work out Joshua's percentage profit. Percentage profit equals profit over initial amount into 100. So we are given the price of the car, that is 12,500. Now we need to find what is the total selling price of the car by Joshua. How do you find it? Sale price equals, they say, 1,500 initial plus 36 monthly installments of 450. Let's put this into the calc. 1,500 plus 36 times 450. That is 17,700. Then the profit is 17,700 minus 12,500. That is 0, 0, 7 minus 5, that is 2. 17 minus 12, that is 5. So according to this formula, profit is 5,200 over initial is 12,500 into 100. Let's put this into the calc. 5,200 over 12,500 into 100. 41.6 is the answer. Juan wants to buy a ticket to fly from Madrid to Berlin. He finds two different types of ticket. he can buy in a sale ticket A and ticket B. Ticket A 1/6 off normal price, ticket B 20% off normal price. The sale price of ticket A is 140 euros. The sale price of ticket B is 136 euros. Work out the difference between the normal price of ticket A and the normal price of ticket B. Let's take ticket A. In ticket A, that is 1/6 of normal price. So we need to find the new percentage. Actually here percentage is given in a fraction. So we need to find the new fraction. How to find the new fraction? It is 1 minus 1/6 because this is percentage decrease. This amount has to be decreased. 1 minus 1/6, that is 5/6. So normal price we need to find, sale price given, that is 140. We need to find normal price, that means we need to find the initial price. So this is called reverse percentage. This is called a reverse percentage. In reverse percentage, what you have to do is we have to take the reciprocal of the new percentage. So amount is 140 into reciprocal of 5/6, that is 6/5. Let's put this into the calc. 140 times 6/5, that is 168. Let's take B, ticket B. They have given the percentage, that is 20%. So how do you find the new percentage? This is percentage decrease, so we have to subtract 20% from 100. That is 100 minus 20, that is 80%. That means 80/100 as a fraction. Then normal price, sale price. Normal price not given, sale price is 136. This is also a reverse percentage because we need to find the initial. How do you do reverse percentage? We take the amount 136 multiply reciprocal of the new percentage. This is 80/100, so reciprocal is 100/80 equals, let's put into the calc, 136 into 100/80, that is 170. Then they ask the difference between normal price, that is 170 minus 168, that is 2. Hermione buys a boat for $26,800. The value of the boat depreciates by 8% each year. Work out the value of the boat at the end of 3 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest dollar. So this is depreciation. Depreciation means percentage decrease. So we can find the new percentage, that is 100 minus 8 equals 92%. Then this as a fraction, that is 92/100. That means 0.92. This is compound percentage. So when you do compound percentages, we need the multiplier. So this is the multiplier. This is our multiplier. initial amount 26,800 into multiplier, that is 0.92, to the power number of years, that is 3. Let's put this into the calc. 26,800 into 0.92 to the power 3, that is 20,868.8. Then they ask, give your answer correct to the nearest dollar, that means up to units place. Then after the units place it is 8, so we have to add 1 to this 8, that is 20,869.